Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. If it is the first time here, it is Maureen. My name is Maureen. It's the YouTube bib right here. So today it's all about turning that bandana into an amazing look on your braids. But if you still have your hair on, well, this is also the style for you. So let's dive into it. Drum rolls. Ta, 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 ta. So the first thing, what do you need? You need something to hold your hair. Will I be showing you two or one style? What do you want? Anyways, you need something to hold your hair. Here is my thingy, my hairband. And then we also have my bandana right here. You're going to forgive me for my voice because I kinda have a cold. This cold weather is not even having pity on beautiful girls. So let's dive into it. So you also need a mirror, at least something to like look at yourself or see what you're actually doing. So this is my mirror, this is my braids. All I'm gonna do right now is just flip all of it towards the back like this, and then you flip all of them towards the back like that. And then for the first style, actually you'll need to hold it below your, what do we call this part, medulla oblongata, yeah, right there, like that. You can choose to have it in form of a bun, a small bun, or just let it be like that. You can let it be like that or form a tiny bun. To form this kind of bun, I always tell you to actually rotate your hairs all around like that. See, all around like that. To have something like that. Okay, so as we continue, please make sure that you do like this video, give us that thumbs up, because already I've given you a style that you can have on your braids even without a bandana on. So that's a tick, a bonus. And also make sure that you can talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this style, what you'd want, okay, make sure that you comment down below. Also subscribe, turn on the notification bell, because here it's all about beauty. Let's just go right into it, beauty and style. So here's my bandana. The inner side facing towards the front is what you need. So make a fold up to this point, somewhere like that, and then you just place it onto your head like this. I'll show you way like that. Now this is too big because we need it to not to block this beauty. So what you're going to do with this folded like that, you make another fold right there, and then you have something, you have that shape like a big headband, enough to fit your hairs like that. And then you can actually choose to let some hair drop here. I'll be showing you how it looks with some hair let down. So you're like this, and then imagine it's as easy as that. You can always choose to like pull the bandana a little bit towards the front, then let the rest like that. It is that easy. Let's see if you release the hair. No, it's not that beautiful. I prefer it with the hair like there. See? Yeah, a bit like that. Now you start the bandana into the braids, and then you have that look. Hide these ones. Then if you prefer to, you can drop some two braids, although most people don't like this style. Ouch. Drop two braids at the front like that, and then let's do two like this, and then ouch, on this side like that. I'm gonna make my knots and my quick and easy bun right there. Actually, this is also another style. You can actually style your braids for the day, work, a cute day out in them. Also the bandana the same way, like that. I'll just place it here. It's not giving. Let me redo. Like this to fall towards this tip, like that, and then like this. This one to me. How to ask. So we did like that. Now we make our knots at the back, guys, so beautifully, like that. But I feel like it's too small here. We do not want any hair to be seen. So all you can do actually in that case is just to like literally just adjust it. Okay, just adjust. This is me actually trying to make it bigger in size so that it covers the entire hair area. Well, this is just like showing you how you can have the same style in different ways. But I'm thinking of going to work today just like this. If I'm going to go like this without the bandana though. But let me just show you if you want to have the bandana on, guys. Kanye, why am I underestimating the size of my hair though? It's big oh. You can actually also choose maybe to have your ears on the inside or the outside. If you observed, all the other times my ears have been outside, this time they are on the inside. So guys, I don't have much to say. Basically that is how our style is. Please make sure that you do like this video, shares out there, talk to me in the comment section, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also follow me on my socials, that is Miss Maureen on YouTube. That is Miss Maureen, yeah, Miss Maureen on YouTube, on TikTok and on Instagram. Let me see. I don't know why. Let me look at myself on a bigger mirror, guys. I'll be right back. Anyways, that's it, guys. I don't know, do you prefer with these hairs out or with the hairs up? Because for me, I actually prefer it with the hairs, all the hairs held at the back. That's how I prefer. With it like that, I prefer it with all the hairs held. Anyways guys, see you on the next one, and to watch more of my videos click right here or check out in the description a link to more tutorials.